Hello and welcome to our first social distancing style lecture. So today we're gonna go and do a simulation based on what you've learned in your class about heat exchangers. So the design of heat exchangers, analysis of the heat exchangers are something completely different. We're not gonna go through that, and you're supposed to know that by now. We're gonna use your knowledge of heat exchangers and do a simple shell and tube heat exchanger model here. So we're going to study a stainless steel shell and tube heat exchanger. We have a hot water going through an inner tube, cold water in the outer tube. The shell and tube diameters and mass flow rates and temperatures are listed here. I'm going to post this file on Blackboard so you can see this. And at the end, we want to see the temperature distribution along the tube, hot water temperature at the outlet, and compare the effectiveness from what we get here and compare it with the NTU method that you've learned in the class. So I went ahead and did a design, and I'm going to go through the design to show you how it's going to look like to do the whole design. Oops. From scratch. So this is not complete yet, but as you can see, we have inlet, we have a shell designed, and we have a tube inside. It's not complete. I'm going to complete that, go over that with you over the next video, and then we do the analysis. Thank you.